Welcome back. Now is question number 5. Remember, like and subscribe. Support me. Thank you. So this question is about a ball is thrown from aircraft. So it flows down with arbitrary initial speed. And then which of the following shows the correct free body diagram for the forces acting on the ball when terminal velocity is reached. So terminal velocity means that there is air resistance, and the air resistance will decelerate the ball, but it has a weight there, right? So the vertical velocity might keep on increasing, but horizontally only friction adds on it. So the horizontal velocity, the ux, will decreases, and eventually becomes 0. So finally, the ball will only fall down vertically downward. So it becomes the normal terminal velocity problem. So terminal velocity, the weight is exactly balanced by the air resistance. The same thing of these two forces and no more horizontal forces because the whole horizontal velocity is being stopped by the air resistance. So what's the answer? The answer is D. Got it? Well done.